In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can rotate a video in CapCut. This is very quick and easy, so make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now first, if you have iPhone, you can do that on your iPhone settings. You don't even need CapCut. Just click on the, for example, on the video. This is, for example, I'm going to select a random video. This video, you want to click on edit in the top right and then click this here, and you will see here this icon in the top left. Click done, and that's exactly how you can rotate the video. Now I'm going to show you how you can do that on CapCut right now. Very quick and easy, guys. Just follow these simple steps. Now you want to open your CapCut and click on a new project. Select the video that you want to rotate. For example, I'm going to select this video. Now you want to click here, and then you want to swipe to the right. Okay, sorry, here, as you can see here, you want to swipe to the right. Press and hold and swipe to the right and click on edit. Now after you click on edit, you want to click on rotate. Now that's exactly how you can rotate a video on CapCut. Now after that, you want to just apply it if you want.